Now, let me shift attention to the Nasdaq 100 from the Dow, and this is over the last 5 days. Netflix here is the leader. If we sort by equal weight, you can see up in the upper left, Netflix up 25% for the week. And here is a 20-year chart. Now, this looks a little bit different. Had been in a nice uptrend and severely broke that. That's what happens with some of these growth stocks. But I just want to show you on a 2-year basis what that is looking like. Now, we know the news this week, Netflix has somewhat improved their response to subscriber losses, and it seems like they have that on track right now. Lots of hope with their re-engineering strategy, also pushing to increase their revenues through that ad-supported service and also to monetize the freeloaders, aka me. So we'll see how that works out, guys.
You are full of surprises today, brother. Oopsies, you had me at that. Netflix is really interesting. Obviously, the story moving forward is the ad tier and the password sharing. But in terms of the actual content, I think it's interesting because they have this sequel to Knives Out coming, and I always forget the name. It's called Glass Onion. And while the theaters want them to do more of that, this is limited. 1 week, 600 theaters. And on the other hand, they've seen Dahmer, 10th most streamed show of all time.
It's not bad.
And so you can't help but wonder which direction they'll take in terms of content moving forward. I think the Dahmer type model seems to favor them a lot more. Find these franchises that put up these massive numbers.
Yeah, it certainly does. And it also, I think it just begs the question just in terms of what that subscriber growth is going to look like. Like, yes, we got a very, very strong number for the third quarter. I think questions... the ad tier is going to boost numbers, at least in the short term. Yeah. But how many of those subscribers are going to potentially downgrade? I know you and I have talked about that many times. And how many new subscribers are really going to be able to pull in? Because yes, it's cheaper than what the base price is now, but it's still a lot. And people already are subscribed to so many different services that you've got to question where that saturation number is.
It will be an interesting story ahead.